Good morning students. Today we are learn our 7th GK chapter of class 3rd, that is Logo, a computer language. Okay, so the name of chapter is Logo, a computer language. So look at this picture. Logo is computer language. Logo is the computer language and we can use to draw figures. Okay, and the logo command is used to draw a figure. Okay, this chapter includes, look at this box, starting MSW logo, about logo title, parts of MSW logo screen, control buttons, logo primitives like forward, backward, right, left, homes and CS. Okay, so let's come to our chapter. Logo is a simple computer language. A logo is the simple computer language and it is used to draw figures, and this logo command is used to draw a figure and type text and perform simple arithmetic calculations. Okay, so starting MSW logo. MSW logo is a version of logo for use with Microsoft Windows. The MSW is a version of logo and it is used with Microsoft Windows. Okay, the steps to start MSW logo are as follows. So first step is select start button. Firstly select start button, then select programs button, and then select Microsoft logo, Microsoft Windows logo, and then Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, look at this figure. Firstly select start, then select program, then select Microsoft Windows logo, and then select Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, the MSW logo screen will be displayed. The MSW logo screen will be displayed. So this is the MSW logo screen. Okay, so this is title bar, this is menu bar, this is main screen, this is commander window, this is common input box, this is control buttons, and this is the logo turtle. Okay, so this is the Microsoft window logo screen. Okay, so what is the logo turtle? Just as we draw and write using a pencil in our notebook, just we draw and write write using a pencil in our notebook. So logo uses a pencil for drawing. Logo is used to pencil for a drawing. This pencil looks like a triangle. This pencil is look like a triangle, and this is called as turtle. Okay, so this is the logo turtle. Okay, a logo turtle can draw only when you give a command. A logo turtle can draw only when you give a command. Okay, so command means to give an instruction. Command means to give an instruction. Okay, so logo commands are called as primitives. Logo commands are also called as primitives. The MSW logo screen is divided into two sections, that is main screen and commander window. Okay, that is main screen and commander window. Okay, this is main screen and commander window. So main screen, it is the place where pictures are drawn. It is the place where pictures are drawn, and it is the place where you can see turtle. Okay, you can see turtle in this place. Okay, then commander window, it is the place where we type command. It is the place we type command. The commander window is further divided into two sections. This commander window is divided into two sections. First is command input box, and second is recall list box. Okay, so commander input box, this is the area where a command is typed and executed by pressing the enter key. It is the area where command is typed. In this area the command is typed and executed by the pressing enter key or by clicking on the execute buttons. Okay, then next is recall list box. It records the instructions that we type into the input box. It records the instruction we type in to the input box. If the list of computer commands goes out of view, we can click on the scroll bar. If the command goes out of the view, so we can click on the scroll bar to view the commands. Okay, so understand students? So in your